Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to manually add a new website in IIS, Internet Information Services. First, your Windows server needs to have IIS installed. You can find the tutorial for installing IIS on Windows Server by following the link in the upper right corner of the video. Next, create a folder for the new website files in the System folder. If there isn't a folder for all web files on the server, create a folder named Websites. Then, create a new folder in the recently created Websites folder. You can name the folder based on the domain name. After that, access the domain folder to create the following folders. Next, open the Internet Information Services, IIS, Manager to access the IIS management interface. It is advisable to create a dedicated application pool for a website before proceeding with website creation. Right-click on Application Pools in the Administrator section and select Add Application Pool. Then, enter the domain in the name field and click OK. After that, right-click on Sites and choose Add Website. Enter the site name, select the website files, and choose the IP address. Subsequently, you will see that the website has been created. In general, there should be two hosting headers and site binding. You may add any other headers if they are aliases of the domain. Next, you must update the local host file to test the website. Click the correct path and edit the host file to add the domain host. Then, create the default.aspx file in the www root folder. Next, we will test the site in the browser. You may encounter the following error when opening the site. To resolve this error, open the IIS Manager and select your website. Then, double-click the directory browsing option under IIS in the Features view. Click Enable in the Actions pane on the right. Now, reopen your site in the browser and check again.